one towards the end. But I remember of all of his different phases, the things that excited him were never the position. The thing that excited him was the ability to do something. And I remember this story came to me yesterday, and I started smiling. Was the first time the results came out, and he got the call when he found out where the number one came from. And I can't remember, it was this young girl. And I remember he was with me at the time, and he was so happy because it has been said here, it's because he was able to give somebody a chance. And I think that's what needs to be remembered. He believed everybody was the same, and he always believed he would fight to give you the chance to do as much as you can for everyone. And I think everybody should try and remember that as we keep moving. And with the last thing, and this goes to everybody from all walks of life, anybody who's here, and this is the thing I keep hearing his voice that would be telling me to say, is right now at this point, he wouldn't be too happy that everybody's focusing on the man. He would be happier in people focusing on the deeds. He would know that he was great, but what he would say is this, and he would tell me this: I understand it's well wishes if you keep telling me that I have big shoes to fill. He would laugh because he knows, and he has trained me. That is not the point. The point is for me to do my best, and if I see if I can help, I will try and help and make everybody be equal. I know that's my job. But the point that everybody else is missing, don't focus on him. Focus on what he would want. And what he would want is very simple. I don't have big shoes to fill. We all have big shoes to fill. This is for all of you. Wherever you go, start now. Be honest, try your best, upset people, but be forthright. You don't have to be the best person in the world. You don't have to be the nicest person in the world. But you know what you can do? You can give everybody an equal chance in whatever it is that you do. And if you do that, you will be honoring the memory of my father. So thank you all.
I'm going to ask the choir to give us a small interlude of music as I acknowledge what Dr. Michael Magoha has just said. Among the celebrants here, with your permission, is Father Ben Agunga, one of my cousins. Ben, please do stand up. Father Ben Agunga is one of those people that Professor Magoha took to school. And you can see Ben Agunga and the late brother of Professor Arnold Agunga, who we buried